Hi you guys. So today, I guess this is kind of going to be an informative video on how I make my lip gloss. I've done a couple videos like this, but I never like explained anything. If you are thinking about starting a lip gloss business and you want to do everything yourself, this is the video for you. I'm going to explain what you got to do, okay? And what you need. So you don't have to use these exact bowls, but you will need bowls. I am a wholesale vendor, so I'm about to be working on some 8-ounce gloss jars. This customer ordered all new glosses, so that's why I have all these bowls out. And yeah, this is 5, so you will need a bowl, your desired oils. I use Now Solutions. I'll have the name on the screen. Bowl, oils, gloves, of course. You always need gloves. You can use spoons, or you can use craft sticks, popsicle sticks, whatever you want to call them. Either or. Sometimes I use spoons, sometimes I use popsicle sticks. I'm using a scale so that I can measure my stuff out. This is key. If you're just doing this just for fun, then you probably wouldn't want a formula. But if you're going to take this serious and take it far, I personally feel like you should have a formula. And you should measure everything out just so that it can be the same consistency every time. And if you plan on taking your business far and you want it to be big, of course, you know, someday you may want to have workers working for you. Workers are gonna need to know how to make the lip gloss the way that you make it. So I feel like it's important, it's smart to have a formula. So I have a formula. Some people don't. The next thing you'll need are flavoring oils, and these are the Lorraine oils. I get my flavoring oils from Amazon. Just type in flavoring oils and they will pop up. I get my pigments from TKB. I know y'all can't see me, my hair looks a mess, but I also get my gloss base from TKB as well. This is a 30-pound bucket of base. I've tried I think I've tried 2 other gloss businesses and I had bad experiences with them, hair in the gloss, and yeah, it was horrible. I've been shopping with them ever since I started and I've never had a bad experience. And I spent thousands of dollars with TKB, so now I'm a part of a program and I think I get free shipping on orders and stuff like that. So that's basically all that you need. It's super easy, but it's very, very messy. If you do not have the time to make gloss, I'm also here for you, okay? You can fill the tubes yourself with our 8-ounce gloss jars, or you can buy our wholesale filled tubes. I will fill them for you. All you have to do is brand the tubes yourself. But yeah, that's basically it. It's super easy. So now I'm about to go ahead and get started. Okay, so I did this part off camera just because it literally takes forever. So this is how it looks. I put my oils directly on top of the gloss base, and then I put my pigment on top. Mix my pigment and my oils together, and then I mixed it into the gloss. So that's what I'm about to show y'all. Literally pick whatever type of oils that you want, do your research and figure out, you know, what oils you want to have in your gloss. But always make sure when you're ordering your oils, you pick a brand that is non-GMO. Since this is your gloss, you can literally pick whatever oils you want to use. So whether that is coconut oil, grapeseed, castor, almond, whatever you want, you can have. Just make sure that you list the oils and the ingredients, because somebody, you know, may be allergic to something. The number of oils is totally up to you. And I would say before like buying a big amount of, you know, everything, just start off small, because you don't know if you'll actually be interested in doing this. It is a lot. It's a lot. It's a very easy process, but it's a lot and it's very messy, and some people end up, you know, not liking it. So that's why they end up going with wholesale, and they'll order jars and stuff because they don't want to make the lip gloss up. That's what a lip gloss vendor is for. We'll do all the, you know, steps for you. So now that we have the oils in, I add my pigment on top. So I'm gonna do that and I'll come right back. next thing I'm going to do is add my flavoring oils, and I just use a pipette. You can find these on Amazon. So each one of these glosses has its own unique scent. This customer obviously bought our scented with oils jars. On my website, I have 8-ounce jars. You can get them scented with oils or unscented, no oils. Those are the only two options I offer. Then I just start mixing the pigment and the oil together, and then I mix it all in. This is how gloss should look. Now it's time to fill the jars so I can show y'all the consistency. This is how the jars look. You can make about 25 to 30 glosses, sometimes more depending on the tube size. These are some of our most popular glosses, best sellers for jars, retail, and wholesale field. The girlies love these all year round. Nude glosses are popular. And this customer spent a little over $200, and she could possibly bring in over 1K in profit. It just depends on what she ends up making her price for her glosses. And here are the swatches of our new glosses. I will be adding some more really soon. I know I keep saying that. If you've been here, then you know I say that a lot, but I really am about to add some more to my brand. But these are the swatches. I just took an updated picture. It's been a while. I just got some more content for my Instagram. Make sure you follow the Instagram, support the content. I'm trying my hardest to get unshadow banned. So I hope that this video was able to help you all if you're thinking about starting a lip gloss business or adding lip gloss to your business. This is a great way to bring in extra money, or you can turn this into your full-time job. That's what I did. Samples are available for each of these glosses. These are also available for retail and of course wholesale. Links will be down in the description box. Shop with me. And yeah, I hope that you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next one.